In this video, you will learn the difference between the numeric variable and the string variable. SPSS has two basic variables, which is the numeric variable and the string variables. So the numeric variable contains values that are in number form, like in scientific notations or standard format. For instance, counts, like number of free throws given in each games, variables containing 0 decimal places. Some of the mathematical calculations are allowed when applied for counting variables, like standard and mean deviation. So these are the kind of variables that we can call, that you can assume as a numeric variable. But some statistical processes are excluded. For instance, continuous variables that can easily take any number in a range, like blood pressure, weight, height, size, and so on, can be regarded as numeric variables. So the string variable is also known as character variables or alphanumeric variables. So string variables have values that are considered as text. Basically, string variables are text, just text. This infers that the values of string variables may contain symbols, letters, or numbers. The string values that are missing may appear blank. So basically, the string variable is a text, while the numeric variable is a number. It's a variable that contains numbers, like the data we have here. As you can see, we have gender, we have height, we have weight, we have food, that is favorite food of the genders. So right here we can see that gender is a numeric, is a string variable, because we can see male, female, male, female. Now we can see that ID is a numeric variable because it has numbers, because these variables are numbers. Height is a numeric variable because height deals with the numbers or continuous variables, as the case may be. Weight also, will measure weights in numbers, not text. So here now we have food. As you can see, we have rice, beans, noodles, and the others, etc. So that's the difference between numeric variable and string. String variables have values that are texts, while numeric variables have values that are numbers that are continuous. So that's the difference. If we come to the variable view, we can see that food has been termed string here because it's a string. So that's the difference between string and numeric variable. If you got what you're looking for in this video, you can subscribe, share, and like. If not, you can tell us in our comments. Thank you.